Please tell me everything went well.
Finding out about our baby was devastating. I felt a part of me died.
I'm so sorry, brother. I can only imagine how you feel.
It's all my fault, man.
No, Richard, it's not your fault. It's your controlling father.
She's in so much pain. I wish I can take it all away. I love her so much. She's my world.
I feel your pain, bro. Where's Diana?
She's inside. She's giving us a chance. I can thank you enough, Kyle.
What, you jerk. I'm so happy for you both. This call for a celebration, oh man. I'm so happy for you, Richard.
Thank you, my friend and my brother. We have some healing to do, but most importantly we're doing it together.
That's understandable.
I'm forever grateful to you, Kyle. Thank you so much.
Don't mention it, bro. Because of you and Diana, I found the love of my life, Renee. Thank you too, Richard.
Thank you, Kyle. Where's Renee?
She went to check on Diana.
I'm really upset with you. How could you, Renee?
Diana, I'm sorry, I was only trying to help. I couldn't bear seeing you in pain.
Thank you, sis.
You mean you're not angry with me?
Never. I love you so much, Renee. You're my sister.
I'm so happy for you. I love you too, Diana. So how did it go?
Well, it was really heartbreaking to tell him about the loss of our baby.
I know, but you both can heal together.
Yes, I agree. Thank you, sis. You and Kyle are a match made in heaven.
Oh, I can say the same about you and Richard was written in the stars. I'm so happy for you, sis.
Thank you, sis, and I'm so happy for you too.
You look like a flowers in blossom. Beautiful.
Thank you, love. That color looks really good on you.
Thank you, babe. I'm so happy our plans work out great.
Yes, it did, thanks to you.
Thanks to us. Renee, there's something I need to ask you, and I'm hoping you agree. It will make me the happiest man ever.
What is it, love?
Renee, I've been carrying this around for days, thinking of the best way. Renee Williams, will you marry me?
Yes, Kyle, I'll marry you. I love you so much.
Thank you, love. We're getting married.
Tonight was really wonderful. I had a great time.
Me too, baby. You look so beautiful. I love you so much, Diana.
I love you too, Richard.
Diana, life has taught me a harsh lesson. I almost lost you forever, and I lost our baby. I wish I could turn back the hands in time, but we can only move forward.
I know, love.
Diana, I don't ever want to lose you again. I love you so much. It hurts not having you, not being with you, not being able to hold you day and night. I don't want to waste any more precious time. Diana, please end my misery and make me the happiest man in the world. Would you marry me?
Richard, I never thought I would ever see you again. I hated you for years, and loved you all my life. The pain, the agony, it's been torture to my soul, yet I don't want to spend one more waking day without you by my side. Yes, I would love to marry you.
Oh, thank God. I love you, Diana.
I love you too, Richard. Good morning, sis. Late night.
Good morning, sis. You're one to talk. You and Richard came in pretty late.
So how was your night with Kyle?
It was wonderful, a night to remember. And how was your night with Richard?
It was amazing, just perfect.
Okay, I can't take it anymore. Kyle purpose last night. We're getting married.
Well, I guess we're having a double wedding. Richard and I are getting married.
OMG, I'm so happy for you.
I'm so happy for you too, sis.
I'm so excited. We can both shop for our wedding dresses. I'm so happy for you, Diana, and Richard too.
I'm happy for you and Kyle, you both deserve all the happiness in the world.
So do you, Diana.
Thank you, Renee, I love you, sis.
I love you too, sis.